How to reset the Kwikset Smart Key locks without the current key or the reset tool. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can reset the Kwikset Smart Key doorknobs and also the Kwikset Smart Key door lever handles. Stick till the end of the video and I will show you guys how you can save a lot of time and money. Coming up right now. So before we're gonna start, I just want to introduce myself. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. If you're interested in home security related stuff, learn how to do it yourself, save time and money, consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell and turn on notification so you will be notified first when I release new videos when I release them. Okay, without further ado, let's move on from close-up and I will show you guys how to reset the Kwikset Smart Key locks without the current key or the reset tool. Coming up right now. Okay guys, so the Kwikset Smart Key knobs and Kwikset Smart Key lever handles. Now, if you guys are dealing with any Kwikset knobs or Kwikset Smart Key knobs, you're gonna have to purchase the cylinder removal tool. So basically this tool is must, and I do share a link down below in the description of the video where you can purchase it. So when you get that actual tool, just come back to the video and keep moving with the steps, because otherwise you won't be able to remove the actual core. Okay, now if you guys are dealing with Kwikset lever handle, it's much easier. All you really need to do is use a 3/32 axe tool. Probably gonna have one in the house. If not, I do share a link also where you can purchase it. Now, the actual lever you don't have to remove from the door whatsoever. I'm just, for the sake of the demonstration, showing you guys just like how it is. Basically, you're gonna have to put the actual tool and push it all the way in to the slot right here. And when you feel the actual screw, just twist it. You can remove the actual lever. Now, there is a small ring, a half ring, that basically holding the Kwikset Smartkey cylinder. So just use a flat screwdriver, carefully remove that actual ring. And that's basically how you remove the cylinder, the Kwikset cylinder, from the lever. Okay, now if you guys are dealing with the knob, there is a couple steps. So when you get the tool, first thing is going to be twisting the center piece to the actual middle. So this is like a long tail piece and it's part of the actual knob mechanism. Make sure that it's in the middle, and then you're gonna use that tool, and where the springs are right here on the inside, that's where you're gonna stick the tool, as you can see the way I'm doing it, and twist it. When you feel the actual spring, there is like a small slot basically that holding that center piece. When you twist it, keep holding it with your finger, keep putting pressure on it, you will be able basically to remove that center piece. So, okay. Alright, so this is basically how you do it. You just stick it inside and then twist it till you feel that it's actually pushing the spring, and then you will be able to remove that piece. And it's essential because you're gonna have to remove it in order for you guys to remove the actual smart key core, the cylinder. Okay, then you're gonna have to stick the actual, this side of the actual removal tool inside, just like that, as you can see, and just give it a small push on the ground until it pops out. So this is basically how you remove the actual cylinder from any Kwikset knob and Kwikset Smart Key knobs as well. Now in this point you can put back the centerpiece using this side of the tool, and you're good to go. Now putting back the actual the actual cylinder, when you're done with the reset, it's really simple. You just put it in, give it a push, and it will click back in. Is that simple. So right now you can basically install the knobs back, and when we are done with the reset, then you can just push it in and you're good to go. All right guys, so that's pretty much it, and let's move on to the actual reset process coming up right now. This is how the cylinder looks like when you take it off the lock. Now what you want to see is the back side, and the first thing you need to do is to remove that ring that holding the tailpiece. You can use any tool that you have. I'm using a special tool, and you remove that ring, and there's another ring. The first step, you need to take off the tumbler from the body. So you can use any key that you have for that process. You can try different keys as well, because sometimes it can be a little bit annoying. You have to press it on the back, just like how I'm doing it right now, and slowly you will see that it's going out. Now I'm gonna use one of my pick tools because it's easy, but as I said, you can use any tool that you have for this process. Okay, so this is how it looks like when it's been removed. This is the sidebar, and there is a very small piece here. This new generation, they put something to hold it, but some old version, it will pop out. So actually, the new one is even easier. Remove it slowly, just like this. Now, you gotta be very careful because there is 5 side pin here that are very important, and they gotta be on the shear line, just like this. Make sure that it's straight. You're gonna take the key that you wanted to work with the lock, put it in, all the way in, take the sidebar from the bottom, slide it in the way it was, and you gotta do it slowly. There is a spring here. When you put the key in and you put back the sidebar, you slide it in and out, make sure it slides, and you put it back inside the body the same way you took it out, and you're twisting it to make sure it's working. So now we're gonna put back the ring, and there it is. The last thing we're gonna try is to rekey it. So we're gonna put the existing key that we match, and we're gonna use the reset tool. You're gonna take a different key, and there it is. Okay, so now you know how to reset any Kwikset Smart Key locks without the current key or the reset tools. Now guys, I really want to know, did this video save you time and money as I promised? Let me know in the comment section below, and also if you have any questions regarding the video, I do want to hear from you. So just write a comment in the comment section below, and I promise that I will answer as soon as I can. Now guys, this is something that really important to me personally. If you like this video, smash that like button. Yes, like this video. It's really, really important to me because this is how YouTube rewards me. So don't forget, like my video, and if you're new to my channel, also consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell and turn on notification right after so you will be notified first when I release new videos when I release them. And guys, I also share links of my previous videos that I made and I'm really sure that you'll find them interesting as well. So make sure to check the videos right now, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.